Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Exotic Astrology, and we are back with Shikha ji again, once again. And last time, 2 weeks back, we had done this recording on Shurak, and people just went crazy after seeing that video. There were so many comments I have seen, and so many people have messaged me, they have mailed me saying that we did not know anything about shoes, and we never thought that shoe racks could be such an important area in our life. I mean, not in a significant way, but if it is not kept properly in the right place or in the right way, then it could really create wreak havoc in your life. So, similarly, today the topic is mirrors.
Thank
So,
you.
where should we keep mirrors, and how it's all about mirrors today. So stay tuned. And she also has a YouTube channel, which most of you would be aware of. And in case you have not visited, then please check the link in the description section. And you also do consultations, and you are also having courses, I guess. So whatever it is, yeah, you can say, and I will pin the link in the description section. Welcome, madam, and stage is all yours.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Babuji ji. Yeah, even I was surprised to see this Shuraka on your channel. People have messaged me personally about it. And yes, we actually don't think ki these things are important, but they do matter. Yeah, I think the basics of Vastu everyone should know. Because even if I don't do remedies, even if I sit in a correct place, face the correct direction while eating, sleeping, studying, not sitting under a beam, all these small, small things, they all get clarified in Vastu and they bring a lot of change and positive vibrations in our day to day lives. So people had suggested the videos about a kitchen placement, I think, and but many had asked for mirror placements and all that, and the effects of mirrors. So today let's talk a little bit about mirrors, whatever I know, and it is actually mirrors in Vastu play a very very important role. The mirrors are used in as remedies in many places in many zones. Now mirrors basically is the water element. So whenever my water zone is disturbed or it is cut or there is heavy weight over there, there is a entrance door over there, I say a heavy cupboard placed in the water zone, or we have a blocked water zone, then these mirrors come into effect. Like if I place a mirror over there, the remedies are done, and they really work very beautifully. But opposed to that, if I place mirrors in the opposite direction, like say earth element or the fire element, so they give very bad results.
Okay.
Okay, so basically, if you see, the mirrors should be hung on the north, northeast, and the eastern walls.
North, northeast, and east.
Eastern walls, yes, they should not be
Okay,
placed.
okay.
Yeah, because it is here that they. This is the water zone. From 0 degrees
Okay.
north to 90 degrees east is the water zone.
Okay.
So mirrors should go only there. Even if you have, say, suppose now you don't have any windows on the north, and there is a window on the east. So I'll place a mirror on the north. The rays of the sun enter the east, strike the north wall, activating the north.
Okay.
And the
Interesting.
north, yeah, and the devta of the north wall is Kubera. That is a god,
Okay.
treasurer of money. Everyone knows about Kubera. I don't need to talk about him, right? So
Yes.
it's a very important remedy we can do if the north is blocked. A special remedy for this. But simultaneously, if say suppose there is a mirror in the southwest or the south, then we should not use the mirror, and this mirror should always be uh, kept hidden by a curtain or something. You just put a curtain over it. and use it only
Okay,
when
so
you
it is
need
already
to.
in there.
Yeah, use it only when you need to use it.
Okay, not for daily purposes.
Daily purpose. Suppose I have a bedroom in southwest and the mirror does not have a place in the east or the north wall in the bedroom. So
Okay,
maybe I have put the mirror on the south, southwest, or the west wall. So I need to get dressed up every day. So those 2 minutes I can open the curtain, get dressed up. Rest of the time
okay.
it
So
is covered with the curtain.
rest of the time it should be covered. Okay, I see. So
So
does that like minimize the bad effect or some like?
then the reflection is not there, no? When once the curtain,
Okay,
the reflection is not there.
okay, got it.
So the see in the mirror when you see the image is as far as you are standing in front of it. Suppose I'm standing two
Correct,
feet in front of the mirror, so my reflection is 2 feet behind the mirror.
correct.
So if I'm putting the mirrors in the sink areas, these are called as sink areas, south, southwest, west, then they enlarge that area, which we
Okay,
don't want to be enlarged.
okay, I see.
So basic concept is that nobody understands the meaning of all such things. So it's very, very important to learn these basics the Vedic way, why the mirrors are kept only in the source areas and not the sink areas and all that.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. And
Then
in case it is there in that and somebody does not put, then like what kind of problems come generally if the mirrors are not rightly placed?
it will now depend upon further things also, whatever the faults in the house. It will change from
Okay,
premise to premise. What are the cuts, what is happening in the south is open, then this amplifies the negative effect.
okay. And you said this is like representing the water element. So does it show that some emotional unhappiness can be there or something like this?
Yes, total nahi, yeah, of course emotionally you are very, very disturbed if you have these mirrors.
Okay,
And besides being emotional, even see water element is controlled by the moon, right?
correct.
So you may have problems in thinking, no right thinking, no right decisions. Even Venus
Oh, got
is
it.
represented by water
Correct,
planet. So
Venus.
money issues, all such
Okay,
things, right?
okay.
Because the
So the
ruler of South,
planets.
yeah, because the ruler of Southwest is Niruti, and we all
Okay.
know who is Niruti. The ruler of
Oh,
South
yes.
is Yama.
Oh, yeah.
So we
Okay.
don't want to amplify the effects of these gods, no? Demons.
Ah,
These are the demons.
okay. In earlier times, they also used to say if a mirror would fall down, that shows somebody may pass away in the family. It's like big inauspicious sign or something like this.
There were many, many shaguns. We call this shaguns or omens.
Okay, correct.
I
Correct.
remember a case. My one of my aunt and uncle, they have this business of glasses. The windows, na, they make sliding windows.
Uh-huh.
So
Okay.
they had big godowns where they kept these glasses used for the sliding windows. And one day, all the glasses, something had happened, and all the glasses broke. And they had a loss of lakhs and lakhs. This was, say, 30 years back, 30, 40 years back, 30, 35 years
Okay.
back. And the same day, my aunt had gone for a report to the doctor. So the breaking of the glasses, and she connected it with, she got a report that she was a diabetic patient. Matlab, that was the day it was detected.
Okay.
But
Oh, I
after that,
see.
yeah, so she said, I came to know about it timely. She lived a long life after that. So she
Correct.
said,
Okay.
okay, the glasses gave me an indication that there is a problem, but it will go away because the glasses broke off. So whatever had come as a bad thing for her, it had gone away because the glasses had broken. That's what she said,
Oh,
and we
I
were
see.
just small children that time. Whenever
Oh,
I
okay.
remember about this mirrors and glasses, now I recollect this.
Okay, I see.
And both of them were very good astrologers, the husband and a wife. And they always
Okay.
used to tell me, go and learn astrology, especially my uncle. Uh, but it took me 10 long years after their saying to get into astrology.
Okay.
Yeah. So, and then if you keep proper mirrors at proper places, they bring in lots of positivity and they give you a lot of things. And this I'm doing Vastu in so many places. So I have seen the effects of this. Okay.
And sometimes, like, I have seen people keeping mirrors within their drawer, or they open a shelf and then there is a mirror. So,
I'm coming to that. Yeah. So
okay,
there is another thing like basically in a bedroom there should be no mirrors
okay, I see.
because then the mirrors, the reflections, the rays hitting the mirrors and whatever the light hitting, everything disturbs our sleep and the rest.
Okay, so like anywhere there should be no mirrors.
Basically, in the olden days, they never used to keep a mirror or a TV in the bedroom.
Oh, yes, correct, correct.
Nowadays, it is a compulsion कि we have to keep the mirrors. So, a mirror should, first thing I told you, it on the north wall or the east wall. Try to get the mirror
Correct.
on the north wall or the east wall. But care should be taken that the bed is not reflected in the mirror.
Oh, okay. So this is, you are saying, if it is somehow unfortunately in the bedroom.
Yeah. No, today if I go to see na, every bedroom needs a mirror. Period.
Yeah, the dressing table for ladies especially.
For everyone, even for men, or
Yeah,
means if a couple is using a bedroom or someone, say it is my son is using a bedroom, so he won't come to my bedroom to get dressed. He needs
correct, correct,
space, right?
correct.
So that time care should be taken कि it does not reflect the bed.
Okay, so when you see the mirror, you should not see the bed in the mirror. That's all.
Correct. And the
Okay,
mirror should not be from floor to ceiling. It should start
okay,
from 3 to 4 feet from the floor. Like say,
okay,
suppose this is my floor, so the mirror should start from here.
okay. It should not touch the ground.
Yeah. So nowadays,
Okay.
everyone wants big mirrors, interior designings. They give you mirror here, there. They say the house looks big and all that. So please say no to them. I don't want it.
Okay, I see. And what is like the any reason why it should not touch the ground?
Not touch the ground means the mirror should not be full length.
Okay,
It should start from 3.5 feet,
correct.
like that.
Okay.
That is a standard. Then even in the washrooms or your powder rooms, the mirror should be on the north and the eastern walls.
Even inside the room, bedroom, also the bathroom and all this. Okay.
Yeah. And then these mirrors should never be broken or cracked. Immediately replace whatever is broken. Don't keep broken mirrors, broken glasses, or broken crockery at home. Even if you have
Oh,
a crack in the cup, don't use it, just throw it off.
okay. And
So,
regarding this, you said I had a question that you should not use mirrors in the bedroom, especially. So then, where is there any room where we should keep mirrors, or is it like
yeah,
allowed in other?
so I am very happy to see nowadays they have walk-in wardrobes. That
Okay.
trend is coming back. So I feel
Okay.
a mirror
What is
over
that?
walk-in wardrobes. Apart from the
Okay.
bedroom, they have an area where the wardrobe is built.
Okay. Separate. Correct. Correct.
Get dressed over there.
Okay. Okay. This was there earlier, but like
Correct. Correct. And
Yeah.
because then we shifted into apartments and the apartments got smaller and smaller in size. So everything comes in one place. Many of the places that are not possible.
Yeah, generally, I remember when I used to visit these circuit houses, the British made bungalows, big, like government bungalows there. The bedroom would be there, then there would be a dressing room, then there would be the bathroom.
Correct,
And there
correct.
used to be a door in between. Very clear this was.
Yes, very true. So yeah, that trend is coming back again, and
Okay.
mostly like. So I'm happy with that. But I still tell you, na, matlab, where there is nothing, na, so then you go ahead and place a mirror on. But your care should be taken. It should be on the eastern wall or the northern wall and not reflecting the back bed. That's it.
Okay.
Most of the time, I get to do that. It's very rarely I cannot do that. Very rarely
Okay.
I cannot do that. And then the mirrors in the rectangular shape are the best. Square shape and rectangle, they say, are the
Okay.
best. These should be used. Even if there are window panes, like window panes, keep window panes which are not transparent, because even they form the reflection surfaces,
Okay.
glasses of windows. Therefore, we put curtains on windows.
Okay. Okay, I got it.
Yes. So all this care uh, about mirrors is to be taken, and a mirror should not be straight in front of your main door. Like a main door opens, and you directly look into the mirror.
Acha, okay.
That should not be there.
And you said about like what about circular mirrors? They are okay.
No, only square mirrors or rectangular mirrors.
Okay, circles are not good. Okay, I
Okay.
see.
And you asked me a question, where should mirrors be kept? So mirrors are okay in living rooms or a dining room also. A mirror is good because that is a family time, people sitting together, eating food together.
Correct.
So it is okay. Entrance way, it should not be in the entrance as a like it should not reflect the entrance door.
Okay,
It should not reflect a staircase. The mirror should not reflect a
okay.
staircase. These all care should be taken. Then in many places I see ki, the mirrors are kept opposite to each other. Like this mirror will reflect everything in this mirror and this river. Have you seen
Correct.
that? So this is
Yeah.
also a big no-no.
Acha, okay.
Yeah. So this also care should be taken ki no, not to be done.
Okay, I see.
Any other question? I think I have covered a lot of things. Mhm.
And suppose if like there is a mirror in one place and it's like sticking to the wall and you can't do anything. So then we use the same thing, we put curtains or we cover it. That's the only thing we can do.
Very easy. You just have to put two nails and put a wire and put a curtain.
Okay.
It's very
Okay.
easy to do
So
it.
basically, if it is there in a place, sometimes people have these questions that we purchased a fully furnished apartment and there are mirrors are sticking here, there, we can't remove them. The owner doesn't allow them, just cover.
Just cover it off.
Okay, okay. And
I
one
forgot.
is one, yeah,
I forgot to say कि many of them they have mirrors on the wardrobe doors, right?
exactly. Correct.
That also
Correct.
is a big no-no,
Okay.
right? But you can keep mirrors in cash boxes or wherever you keep your treasures. But that also has to be carefully planned. You just cannot keep a mirror. Like it has to be carefully planned which direction that mirror falls into inside the cash box. I designed
Correct.
special cash boxes, treasure.
Okay.
So care has to be taken over there also.
Because then if it reflects that, then the money is multiplied. That's the reason.
Correct.
Okay, okay. And like, have you seen sometimes that if mirrors are like badly placed, then there's too much quarrel within the family or disharmony in relationships or anything like this you have like seen practically?
Yeah, see, most of the time what happens is people will contact us for consultations only when they are in problem,
Yeah.
right? So when I visit
Yes.
their places, then of course, then this is one point that I'm very careful कि I should have a look at all the mirrors where they are placed. That is a
Okay.
means apart from all the faults in their places, like most of them will have money problems or relationship issues or whatever it is. Then I also look keep mirrors placed in the wrong direction, shoe racks, whatever. What so many negative things can be there, no?
Okay. So it's not like only one or two, there can be multiple things depending on the other problems.
Yes, right. Only mirrors. Matlab if I visit a premises, everything is there.
Oh, yes, yes.
Nah, I cannot only say, you know, this mirror is here, so this has become the problem. It is not like that.
Okay.
That is,
Correct, correct, correct.
there is a point system in Vastu that we use in grading a house. So these points, if there are faults, they keep on multiplying each other.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah. And this point system, without this point system, we cannot work. Say, suppose a person comes and tells me, ma'am, I have seen 10 houses and come and choose the best house for me. Now,
Okay.
in today's this thing, nothing is 100% Vastu compliant.
Oh, I see.
So then from out of that 10 houses, what do I choose? I will sit and work out the positive points, the negative points, give them a point system. And the one with the less faults, I'll tell him you can take this.
Okay. I
There's a way to
see.
go about it.
Okay, interesting. And anything like these rules are general for everybody, or this is
Yeah, yeah,
like, or it
everybody.
changes sometimes depending on the flats or
No,
like
no,
your own home.
no,
It
no,
has
no, no.
nothing to do.
General Vastu.
And these will hold true also if this is a office, not a living room or anything. It's true for all.
Places, sometimes the rules change. Like mirrors in,
Okay.
you can say, mirrors in saloons, they have different set of rules.
Haha.
And mirrors
Oh.
in bars and everything, they have different sets of rules. But this is common for
Ah.
rest of the things, like
Okay, like
especially a
your
home
own home and all this. Okay,
and something like that.
okay. Great, incredible. It is so many new things I learn always.
Yeah, Vastu is really interesting, and small points. Even if I tell, ki even if you don't have the money to do remedies, only if you do small things, na, that also change the atmosphere of the house.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Nice.
Yeah.
Great. Thank you very much. And I hope we will again record like rack and today mirrors on some other topic.
Sure, we'll do it.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much. And for those who have not visited our channel, please go down in the description section. You'll find our YouTube channel and our website for consultations. Okay. Thank you very much. Yes, Sri Ram.